explanation for the writing workout, revising, and editing. So, as you've probably realized, we have not had a huge writing assignment this semester so far, and I really want to work on those key revising and editing skills with you as we progress to the next unit, and you will be expected to write in a little bit more detail. So there's a difference between revising and editing. Revising is dealing with content issues that need clarification. This might mean you need to change a sentence or something in order to make what you are saying clear. Editing means that you are dealing with grammatical and formatting issues that need to be corrected. And there is a big difference between revising and editing. So most young writers don't understand this distinction. Most young writers think the first draft is good enough and don't revisit to fix content issues. So all writers benefit from reworking their texts and making improvements. And I can tell you from the character journals and the Beowulf boasts that some of you were not going back and revising and editing your work. So the purpose of this assignment is to give you practice with revision and editing skills. Now, this is a big thing. You should expect to work on this assignment over a period of days, one section at a time. There are 5 sections, so 5 days in a week, 5 sections to complete. So you should be completing it one part a day. There are answers to, make sure you read through each slide of this assignment because there are lessons within it and videos, and then you're going to answer the questions. This assignment is worth 50 points, so this is one of the largest assignments you've seen all semester. I would highly suggest that you follow this pacing guide as you complete your work. And a big thing here, there are a lot of example pages and lessons pages within this assignment because I want to make sure that you're learning and that everything is clear. Before you submit your work, make sure you delete all the slides with a white background. You should only submit the slides with a blue background, okay? And you'll see the difference here in a second. All right, so as you go through the slides, you're gonna see, you'll see it highlighted part 1 of 5, part 2 of 5, and each slide will have an explanation of what you need to do, an example of how that portion of the assignment should be completed, and then a video explanation of the topic. Finally, you'll see your turn, and you'll see an example here. You'll need to make sure that you read all this, and then here's your blue slide. You'll put your answer for part 1 here. And then you'll continue going through. Again, you have your what you need to do, your explanation and examples, and your turn. So you'll go through all of these slides, and then I have it at the end that you need to double check which slides you need to have deleted or which slides you need to submit, okay? If you have any questions about this assignment, please do not hesitate to reach out. It is a very big assignment, and we will be going through each part of I will be explaining each part as we go throughout the week in our live sessions. Thank you so much, and let me know if you need help. Bye.